actions speak for itself, pero aanhin mo yung data kung hindi mo naman ina-apply. Sabi nga nila, it's better late than never. Pero sa marketing, mas better kung now na.
Implementation.
Implementation means putting your data insights into action. Ito yung part kung saan mo ina-apply ang lahat ng natutunan mo sa data. Kung sa interpretation, we understand. Sa implementation, we act. It's all about turning your marketing ideas into real actions, using tools, teamwork, and technology para maging database ang decisions mo, hindi hula-hula lang. Halimbawa, kapag napansin mo sa survey na mas gusto ng customers mo ang eco-friendly packaging, so nagpalit ka ng paper cups instead of plastic. That's implementation in action. Halimbawa, may milk tea shop ka, napansin mo sa data mo na maraming bumibili tuwing 4 to 6 p.m., lalo na mga estudyante. Add promos tulad ng buy one take one or combo set before that time para hindi lang pili ang oras kung saan ka mabenta. So, anong ginawa mo? You add more stocks para hindi mo ka maubusan. Resulta, mas tuloy-tuloy ang kita. Now, let's talk about the purpose. Bakit nga ba kailangan ang implementation? Una, to refine and optimize your marketing strategy. Hindi lahat ng plano effective. Kailangan i-adjust base sa data. For example, kung napansin mo hindi nag-work ang Facebook ads mo pero sobrang daming nag-react sa TikTok, you shift your focus dun. Pangalawa, to make marketing more effective, focus on what really works para hindi sayang effort at budget. Instead of posting everyday na walang direction, gagamitin mo ang insights para malaman kung anong content ang pinaka-pinapansin ng mga audience mo. At pangatlo, to adapt quickly sa changes sa market or customer behavior. Marketing is fast-paced. Kung hindi ka gagalaw, may iwan ka. Like when a trend suddenly goes viral, those act fast and ride the trend, sila yung madalas mag-stand out. Kahit gaano kaganda ang analysis mo, useless ang data kung hindi mo ina-actionan. It's like knowing the solution to a problem but not using it. Parang alam mong kailangan mong mag-post ng mas maaga kasi doon maraming online, pero hindi mo ginagawa. Sayang yung chance na mas mapansin ka. Sa business, it's simple. Act fast or get left behind. Implementation is what turns your plans into real results, profits, growth, and success. Ngayon, let's get through the 5 steps of implementation. Ito yung process na tumutulong sa marketers to put data into real action. Mag-create a system for continuous testing and learning. Example, Shopee tests 2 banners, 1 pesos deals versus big brand sale. Tinitignan nila kung alin ang mas maraming clicks at yung mas effective. Yun ang gagamitin nila next time. Or kung may small cafe ka, try mo i-test kung alin mas gusto ng customers. Ice latte of the day or buy 2 get 1 pastry. Kung alin ang mas patok, yun yung ipagpapatuloy mo. Step 2. Refine your strategy. Use your insights to fine-tune your approach. Example, Coca-Cola saw that Instagram works better than Facebook, so they focus more on Instagram and partner with influencers. Step 3. Personalize your campaigns. Different customers, different needs, so tailor your message for each group. Example, Jollibee sends promos for students, Mercado meals, and for parents, family bundles. Another one. A skincare brand might send an acne care promos sa teens pero anti-aging bundles naman sa adults. Each one gets what fits them best. Step 4. Empower your team. Data is only powerful if your team knows how to use it. Example, Globe Telecom trains employees to analyze customer data. Result, smarter promos, happier customers. Kahit sa small team, pwede ito, like training your staff to track customers' feedback sa Google reviews para alam nila kung anong dapat i-improve. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. After launching campaign, work doesn't stop. Keep monitoring the results and adjust if needed. Example, SM Supermalls check app downloads and promo redemptions. Kapag bumaba ang numbers, they quickly change their strategy. Gaya ng small bakery na napansing hindi na bumibenta ang Valentine promo nila, kaya pinalitan nila agad ng rainy day treats to promo. At ayun, bumalik ulit ang sales. So ayan, that's implementation in marketing. It's the stage where understanding becomes action, where ideas become impact. Remember, interpretation helps us understand, implementation helps us grow. Because in marketing, it's not just about knowing, it's about doing something with what you know.